Begin.
Alright, how y'all doing today? Today we're going to be talking about place value and the periods within the place value. But first I want to start right here. Let me write a simple number on the board. Let's start off with this number right here. 145. Now, this period right here is called the units. And it's the lowest, one of the lowest ones that we have when it comes to place value. Now, each period contains 3 digits. As you can see, we have them right here. A digit in the ones place, a digit in the tens place, and a digit in the hundreds place. Well, what happens whenever we go over to the next period? Well, we have to have a comma there. And this comma is what separates the periods, okay? This comma is what gives each period its distinct name. So I'll write another 3 digits in here, just some random numbers. And this period right here, these 3 digits make up a period. And this period right here is called the thousands. That is called the thousand periods. Okay? So this will read like this right now. 344,145. I want you to pay close attention to how I said that last part of that number. 145. There is no and located anywhere in that number. It's just 145. So let's continue to move on. So let's go on to our next period. And some more numbers are thrown in here. Now this next period with these 3 digits is called the millions. Okay, so we have our millions, thousands, and our units. Let me read this number to you. 543,344,145. And lastly, because in 5th grade we learned all the way up till the 100 billions place, here's our last period that we'll be talking about. This is our billions period. Okay? So, I can read all of these numbers out right now. I have 679,543,344,145. Now, the trick to knowing what number to say is to count how many commas you have. And that's going to give you the secret on what period you can end up in. So if I only have 2 commas in my number, I know that my number could be in the millions. If I have only 1 comma, I know my number can be in the thousands. And if I have 1, 2, 3 commas, I know my number could be in the billions. Now, just to extend this some, there's this little fellow right here that's a decimal. And numbers after this do not get put in any periods, but they are considered partial numbers. So there you have it. We have our units, thousands, millions, and billions periods all planned out. And right here, we're going to talk about this little part right here in the next video. Thank you.